Now let us move on to the third question, which says we have to write it in the exponential notation form. Now how to write the exponential notation we have already discussed, but that was when we have to convert the normal form into the exponential form. Now this is also the normal form and converting into exponential form. That means we will be applying the same concept. Let us try. The third question, first part, it says 0 point. Let us count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 zeros and 3 to 7. Now we have to convert this to the exponential notation form. First of all, we will convert it to the fraction form. That will be, if you want to bring the decimal point up to 3.27. How many places have you jumped? These were 13 zeros and one more place, that is 14 places you have jumped now with your decimal place. So you write 10 raised to power 14 in the denominator. How do you convert it into the numerator form? 3.27 into 10 raised to power minus 14. Understood? You can do it the other way also. If you want, you can bring the decimal point after 2. That means it would be 32.7. How many places have you jumped now? 15 places. So it will be 32.7 into 10 raised to power minus 15. If you want, you can jump all the places and you will get 327 upon 10 raised to power 16, which will be equal to 327 into 10 raised to power minus 16. See, if you want to write the exponential notation of this, all the three forms are correct based on what you choose to do, right? Similarly, let us do the next question, which says 8, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Now we have to convert it into exponential form. Now if nowhere the decimal can be seen, that means where is the decimal point? At the last. So I am moving the decimal point. First of all, you can write it directly into this form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means I have moved my decimal point from the last point up to 2. Right? If you want, you can get it one step back. That would be 8.2. But into how many places have you jumped? 8 places. Similarly, if you get it at the least possible place, you would get 10 raised to power 9. You can even go back, that would be 0.082 into 10 raised to power 10. So all the four answers are correct based on what you choose to do. Let us try our question number 4 now. Question number 4, first part. It says we have to write the usual form of these questions. Now the first part is 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 9. First of all, whenever you come across any such question, you convert the negative exponent into the positive exponent. That is, you write 4.8 upon 10 raised to power 9. Now this 10 raised to power 9 means the decimal place has been jumped up to 9 places. If you understand that, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9th place is your 4 only. 8 remains as it is. That means how many places? Just try and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you move your decimal place 9 places, you would get a 9 in the denominator. That means a conversion is correct. Similarly, the next part, which says 3.98 into 10 raised to power 8. Now, how do we write this? We will write 398. It has positive power only. Just write the number. Write as many zeros depending on the power. Write 8 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have written 8 zeros. How many decimal places it was asking for? 2. So we write, make the point at the 2 decimal place. Now this is the answer. Similarly, the third part of the question says 7.132 into 10 raised to power 11. We do the same way because the power is already positive. We don't have to convert it. So we write 7, 1, 3, 2 and 11 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 zeros. And how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So 1, 2 and 3 over here. This is your answer. So that's how we solve the questions based on exponents and powers.